This is how I hitchhike.
Woo! Man, I love Easter candy. This is Twitter in real life.
This is extreme gift wrapping.
This is how I edit my Instagrams. There we go. No. Printing your pets. Just setting up my Christmas tree. Fire! Oh. Merry Christmas.
Oh, that's a sweet looking sky today. That's a tasty cloud. Cannonballing! Woo!
Copying and pasting money.
Invisibility. Lifeguarding.
No running at the pool!
Oh, it's John.
Grabbing a souvenir from France.
Oh, merci beaucoup.
Oh, this is our stop, dude. Time to face my greatest fear. The ice bucket challenge. You ready? Oh.